To me, it is very clear that President Ramaphosa was accusing Jacob Zuma of mobilizing Zulu people. I have worked with Jacob Zuma. We were in exile together. I have no idea where Ramaphosa gets this from. And it is very dangerous for the ANC failing to solve the economic problems and then to start spreading rumors that stories that there is tribalism in South Africa. Instead of solving the economic problems, then he's creating scapegoats so that the people of South Africa must start fighting amongst themselves. It is really, I hope the opposition takes the president up on this and maybe even raise a vote of no confidence in him for this kind of provocation of trying to provoke conflict amongst the ethnic groups of South Africa.
Yeah.